All right, we've got 25 days till Yukon River Quest 2026. We just finished polishing the whole Epic Kayak 18X Sport that we're going to race in, and we've got some graphics that are going to go right here. So unfortunately, we have to take the Epic logo off. So what we're doing is just lightly heating it, getting a fingernail behind it, and it's peeling off pretty good. Get it warmed up just a little bit. It's pretty thin vinyl. There we go. That's what we're doing. We're going to take this off both sides, and then we're going to come in here and polish this off so we get a nice clean surface to work with to apply our graphics. Yukon River Quest 2026.